how are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Okay. Could you please tell me something about yourself?
So, my name is Beauty, and I am preparing NEET, and I have given the exam of NEET, and the result is appearing on the 20th July, and I'm from Sulem Sarai, and I'm learning spoken English from your institute.
That's good. And right now, if I talk about your aim, what is your aim?
My aim is to clarify the NEET exam and get the admission into the MBBS college, government college.
Why are you learning spoken English right now?
I wanted to learn the spoken English because I need to learn this kind of language because there are very much need of this language in all over the world, and also every people must know this language because there are very use of this language. And if I went in the government college, if I take the admission, then their teachers will taught totally in the English, and students also talk with each others into the English, and all books are readed into the English.
Okay, that's good. Could you please tell me something about importance of English right now? Why is it important? Tell me in detail.
English is very important to us and all over the peoples, and because it is very interesting subject. There are many phrases and many words which makes it more interesting. And English should have know all peoples because if we want to get job, a professional job, and if we want to do like engineering and higher education, if we want to take, then that in case English is very important.
Okay, what kind of problem can you face in the higher education? As you said that you bring for higher education. Can you face problem during examination for higher education?
Yes, if we don't know the English language, then we'll absolutely will face the problems in higher educations, because in universities and in the colleges, teacher teach totally into the English, and all books are relay into the English, and students interactions are, and the talking with the students are also in English. And so if we know the English, then we can easily progress in our field.
Okay, what do you want to say right now? What is the role of importance of English in education for you?
There are many roles in the field of education of English language, because if you want to become a teacher, to teach in a in a higher schools, in higher colleges like universities, if we want to become a doctor, if we want to become a engineering, and if we want to study the law, then we it needed to know all of us to know the English language.
Okay, that's good. You said well. And what is right now? There are many students who are of ICSE board and CBSE board. Many students are not able to speak English. According to you, what is the main reason behind it? Why are they not able to speak, especially CBSE board students?
I think the teachers teach them into the English, but talk with them in the Hindi language. And students comes from the village area and like rural areas, and they can't so they can't know the English language very well. So they speak Hindi language to to place their thought, to give their thought with teacher and with their friends.
Okay. And what about you? Are you student of CBSE or AT board?
I'm a UP board student.
Okay. So why did you decide to do your exam from the board?
Why I have decided?
Yes. Why do you not go for CBSE board?
Because due to the financial problem in my village, in my home, I studied, I took the admission in the UP board schools, because there was a financial problem in my house, and that's why I have taken admission in the UP boards.
Okay.
Yes,
And how many days have you completed in this institution?
it is about 10 days.
About 10 days. And tell me something about before 10 days, how were you, and right now, what are the changes?
Before 10 days when I came here, I wasn't unable to introduce myself, but now I am comfortable to introduce myself, and also can speak English, and can interact with the people's but not fluently, but it is okay.
Okay, you need to say that right now you can interact with the public people.
Yes.
Okay, that's good. And what would you like to say right now? There are so many people in our country, they want to learn spoken English. According to you, what will be your advice for them?
Who wanted
Yeah, who want to learn English?
I advised to him he is going to the right place and in the right direction, because every person's required to know the English language, because there are very much need of English language in our country, also in other country like foreign country, USA, Japan and other country. When you will visit another country, you will face the problem if you don't know the language of English.
Okay, what is role of spoken English for foreign country?
What is the role?
Yeah.
Yes.
What is the
English
foreign
language
country
play a very
face?
crucial role in the foreign country, and if we want to get a job in the foreign country, if we go to go for the enjoyment, and if we go for stay for a few months for any regions, then we need to know the English language to interact with the people living in the foreign country. And also if we go with the flight, then also in the flight there are many signs which indicates the English language. If we don't know the English language, we can't understand the sign of the meaning of these words. So English language plays a very crucial role for these people.
What would you like to say right now? Is English important for job or not?
Yes, it is very important for the job English language if you want to do the professional jobs in foreign and also in the India too.
Okay. In India, what kind of problem we can face if we go to other states without any if we don't know our things?
Though the India has hundreds of languages, but English language is very common in the India, and which helps the people to interact with them, which helps communicates to each others belonging to the different states. Because in different state there are local languages which are used in the different regions, and English is a common language that are used worldwide.
Okay. Can you please tell me again what's your aim?
My name.
Aim.
My name, my aim is to become a perfect doctor.
Okay. Why do you want to be a doctor?
I want to be a doctor because it's a aim of my mom. You would say
Okay. It's not your aim.
my mom's aims makes my aim.
Okay. After being a doctor, what will you do? If you become a doctor, what will you do first?
I'll do the work of a perfect doctor. What is the work of perfect doctors? Everybody knows, and I will open many hospitals in the rural areas where they in low price, where the patient can be treated with low price, and I'll open many medical stores, pharmacies, like where the medicines are available with low price.
Because you mean to say that right now in village, people are not getting proper treatment. They are not getting.
Yes, they face the problem of treatment because there are very less medical colleges and very less hospitals.
Okay. According to you, what is most important to become a doctor?
Most important to become a doctor. The most important is my mom's aim.
Okay. Yes.
Yes.
I'm asking you that what is most important if someone wants to be a doctor? What is most important? How can we become a doctor?
Um, everybody can become a doctor if he passed out the 12th intermediate exam with PCB, physics, chemistry, and biology. Is capable of giving the NEET exam after clarifying the NEET exam, which is a text like which are organized by the NTA, National Testing Agency, and after clearing this exam, we can get a job in the government medical college, MBBS college, and after completing the 4.5 years of MBBS, we can be specialized in any in any field like cardiologist. If you want to become a cardiologist, then you will study about our heart. And if you want to become a pulmonologist, you would study about our lungs. And if you want to become a dermatologist, you would study about our skin. So after completing the MD, you would become a perfect doctor, and you would take a job in the government hospitals. You will, yes.
That's good. As you said that earlier that in your childhood, your family condition was not good. It means that you had to face financial problems for
Yes.
starting.
Yes.
But if you become a doctor, what would you do for your family?
I'll do a lot of things with for my family, because my family is a whole world for me, and I'll treat my family more than for me, and I'll stay with my family forever. I want to stay by my family forever, especially with my mom, and I that's it.
It has been 10 days since you came over here and you learned a lot of things. And what do you think in future? Will you be able to speak very well?
Speak
What's your,
English.
yeah, in future? Means right now you have more than 2 months. What's your expectation from that?
I think, from my opinion, I think it is it helps more me. It helps more for me in 10 days, and I think in not in only 2 months, less than 2 months, I will able to speak English fluently. It is my thought.
And definitely you will be able to speak English. Okay, that's good. And you spoke very well. It was nice to talk to you. And it has been only 10 days. And in 10 days you learn a lot. And you made some mistakes. And I hope that you will improve all the mistakes in future. You will correct. And you will take time. If you have time, you have other people, then definitely you will be able to speak. You keep on speaking. Okay. It was nice interaction with you. And you may come. Please.
Thank you, sir.